how to monetize TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to monetize TikTok account. So if you're growing on TikTok, then you can enable monetization and start earning from your videos, lives, gifts, and much more. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply select Settings and Privacy. And now here, once you are in this section, just select account. And now here inside the account, there you can see the option labeled as switch to business account. So here, if you are on personal account, then simply tap on it to switch your account to the business type. And this will give you the access to monetization tools and analytics. So here, simply complete the quick setup process. And here, once you're done converting your personal account into the professional account, then you can simply go back to your profile. And here, once you are on your profile, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen again. And now, here from the pop up menu, simply select TikTok Studio. And now here, once you are on the TikTok Studio, at the top you can see the analytics. And from here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled monetizations. So here, if you go inside the monetization, there under monetization, you will see different earning options like subscriptions, work with artists, service plus, and another different things like live gifts, TikTok series. So here you can simply tap on any feature that you are enabled for and switch it on. But for now, I'm not eligible for any options. So here, for most features, you need at least 10,000 followers and a good amount of views. And here, if something isn't available yet, then you can simply tap on the option labeled Get Notified when I am eligible. And here, at the top of the monetization section, you'll see the estimated rewards and balance. So here, once you reach the minimum payout amount, then you can transfer the money to your bank or PayPal. And that's it. That's how you can enable monetization on TikTok account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.